In this video, I'll show you how to clear the DNS cache in Microsoft Edge if websites are loading incorrectly, redirecting to the wrong place, or showing outdated information. First, open Microsoft Edge. Click into the address bar at the top and type Edge net internals number DNS. Then press enter. This opens a built-in internal network diagnostics page inside Edge. It's not a public website, but a safe browser tool. On the page, look for the section labeled Host Resolver Cache. Under it, click the button that says Clear Host Cache. This instantly removes stored DNS entries from Edge. It does not delete your history, bookmarks, or passwords. It only clears cached domain lookups, so the browser fetches fresh DNS information the next time you visit a site. For a more complete refresh, you can also clear active network connections. In the same internal tool area, click on the Socket section, then select Flush Socket Pools. This forces Edge to close active connections and rebuild them using updated DNS data. If you're downloading or streaming, pause those activities first, since flushing sockets may briefly interrupt connections. Once both steps are complete, reload the website that was causing issues. In many cases, the problem resolves immediately. That's it. Open Edge, net internals, number DNS, clear the host cache, optionally flush socket pools, and your DNS cache in Microsoft Edge is refreshed.